how to change limits on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change limits on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically change limits on Cash App, all you have to do is open up Cash App, and then what you want to do is make sure to log into your account. Then tap the profile icon from the top right hand side. Then when you come to your account page, just look for the option called limits and then tap on it. Now when you go to the limits option, on the next page it will ask you for your current limit session here, so you can see your limits. You can see $100,000 or $1,000 per month. Now you can simply choose to increase those limits by just tapping the increase limits option, and then you'll be able to change your limits. This way you can go ahead and then basically change the limits on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.